Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to do a master reset on an iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, Air. They're all the same. This is a Pro actually, but basically anything running iOS 26 should be the same. So to do a master reset, which is to completely wipe the phone, or there's a couple variations in there, you want to go to the right menu in here under Settings, and then go to General, which is also a gear, and then go all the way down to the bottom, and it's not the bottom one, which is just to shut the phone off. It's one up from there, transfer or reset iPhone. So now you have all kinds of options, and it used to just be reset. So of course they would prefer you transfer to a new iPhone, so they give you an option to do that before you wipe the phone. Or down here there's reset, and reset is not to actually wipe the phone. So it's not a master reset, it's just to reset certain things. So you can reset the network settings, reset the keyboard dictionary. I don't know who is doing just that. Reset the handwriting style, reset the home screen layout, reset location and privacy. And I guess does all of these. So that basically just resets some of the settings, not even the data, right? And so it's not really like wiping it. And then you get the other option, which is erase all contents and settings, which is like a total wipe. And in here now they give you some warnings, right? So erasing this will sign you out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. So basically, if you're going to give up the phone, you definitely should be doing this. Don't just disconnect the Apple ID, because they would still have access to whatever was loaded on the phone. So in this case, you're going to remove all the apps and data. You're going to remove the Apple account, and it'll reset the Find My data that you can use to find the phone. So in other words, if this has been reset, the Find My won't work anymore. And so it gives you this warning, so beware, and then continue. And then it says, are you sure? Are you really sure? Because you're going to lose all this data on here. And then if you do want to do it, erase iPhone. So anyway, I'm not going to actually do it for the sake of this video, but you click on this, and it takes, depending on how much data you have, it could take like 10 or 15 minutes to do it. So just plug it in and leave it, and then come back and make sure that everything is in fact erased. And it should go back to that screen where it just says Benvenuto, welcome, in multiple languages, because there's basically nothing on the phone. It's as if it was brand new. The only thing that I think it skips is it's already been activated. So the phone has been activated. It knows it's a real phone. So that one step in the original setup, you can check out my setup video, but all the other steps, including adding a Apple ID and doing Face ID, etc., are all in there. So anyway, that's the option. In this case, I'm going to say no. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today I have a deep purple iPhone 14 Pro, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to insert and remove a physical SIM. So before we start...